Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO Tuesday tutorial. I hope that this helps you to understand that Facebook and some other social medias kind of have a large bit of control over your social media, obviously, since they own it. And I apologize for the blurring, but this one is going to be about how Facebook is sometimes giving you notifications that information by others, people who recently visited your page, may recommend a change, and that if you don't keep up on these, that the question will be updated automatically. It could be a little dangerous, right? Like in this case, and I apologize for the blurring again. Like you'll notice that instead of this blurred area, it will actually be your logo. And instead of this blurred area, it will actually be your business name. And of course, this down here will also, although it's blurred, will be emails. You can imagine an email. They want to change it from your current email address to, say, another email address, right? And this could be dangerous if someone else is looking to change your Facebook business page email from the one that it should be maybe to something that they want, right? They could maybe even hijack your page, or get so that maybe a competition has changed the email and it now goes to your competition instead of people sending the email to you. So you can see how this could be dangerous, and indirectly it could hurt your SEO, right? Clients and other people clicking on the links would no longer come to your website or you, but would go to perhaps someone doing something malicious, or maybe just a competitor or a disgruntled employee, who knows who. So just want to let you know that this is happening, that Facebook is kind of in this little dangerous situation where someone can suggest a change to your business page. So you need to make sure that you're monitoring your email that Facebook uses to contact you, so that you'll know, okay, someone has tried to make a change. Facebook's asking if it is accurate or not, so that you can accept or reject it to keep yourself safe, so that you keep your emails and your links and anything else that someone may want to recommend for a change of information, that it goes the way you want. All right, thanks, and I hope this helps. If you need any help, you can always come over to BTFOOM.com. Contact us. Thanks.